my lovely viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're fine today. Today I'm going to show latest collection. We're borrowing your stunning collection of Florian 22 karat hallmark earring. Let's explore how this beautiful and elegant piece can brighten up your style. So let's get started. First design is very attractive and very cute. This design only Anana 5 rupee. Very fantastic design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Next design is more beautiful because it's very fantastic, very cute, very adorable, very fancy. This design only 2 Anna and this price is only 50 and this price only 15,000 plus. Next design is very cute pattern earring design. The intricate work and the hallmark gold shining. Very attractive this design. Wow, so cute this design. Only 4 Anna and this price 30,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next we have a floral design earring. Very attractive this design. The delicate and detailed floral pattern makes it sweet and charming. This small diamond on the enhance its beauty, ideal for family gathering or traditional events. Very attractive this design. Wow, so cute this design. Only 5 Anna. Next design is more beautiful. Only 3 Anna. Dubai earring design. 22 karat hallmark earring design. Only 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design is. Next design is more beautiful. New collection, unique collection. Adorable this design. Only 5 Anna. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot this design and go to an jeweler shop and order this collection. Very beautiful this design. Glamour idea for wedding. Our next design is very classic hoop earring. It's simple but classic design makes it stylish and versatile. This hoop a metallic finishing and a delicate craftsmanship make it perfect for daily wearing. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so here the earring design only 4 Anna to 5 Anna. Very fantastic this design, very cute this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. Wow. This modern tassel earring is very stylish and trendy this design. It's a long tassel and a metallic shine is set it apart from the other earring, ideal for parties or cocktail events. Very fantastic this design, very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. Next design is very attractive and very cute this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Only 4 Anna and this price is 30,000 plus. Very fantastic, very cute, very adorable this design. Next design is jhumka design. Only 5 Anna. If one, please screenshot this design. This is colorful animal earring. It's bright and colorful animal work makes it vibrant, attractive, ideal for casual or festival outfits. Very fantastic this design. Next design is more beautiful. Only 5 Anna. Yes, earring design. Very attractive this design and very cute, perfect, trendy, modern looks. It's very modern, very stylish, very unique earring. Next design is very more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot. This design temple earring is very beautiful and the detail is temple design. Very attractive this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Here we have a pure gold stud earring. It's simple and elegant design makes it perfectly very daily wear and formal events. Wow, so cute this design. Only 3 Anna and this price is only 22,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Very cute, very demandable this design. Very viral this design. If you want, please screenshot this design. Next design is earring. Wow, big earring. If you want, you use this shari, 3 piece, college student or every person. This collection is very cute. If you want, please screenshot. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute, viral this collection. If you want, please screenshot this design and go to a jeweler shop and order this collection. Today's video we explore some amazing design 22 karat hallmark earring. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments who design you like the most. Thank you and stay well.